So most of you have heard about PHF food and non-PHF food, but you don't really know what it's all about. Today, I'm going to share with you in detail about it. Potentially hazardous food is any food or food ingredient, whether natural or synthetic, that is capable of supporting the rapid growth of microorganisms. PHF foods include food of animal origin, such as meat, poultry, seafood, eggs, milk, yogurt, and some cheeses. Cooked food of plant origin, for example, all vegetables, pasta, cooked beans. Bean sprouts like alfalfa and mung bean. Cut melons, such as cantaloupe, watermelon, honeydew. Cut tomatoes, for example, sliced, diced, pureed, fresh sauces made with tomatoes. Cut leafy greens like spinach, arugula, bok choy, radicchio, all lettuces, all cabbages, including purple. Garlic in oil preparations. Products similar to dairy, like soy milk, almond milk, and tofu. Non-potentially hazardous foods do not require time or temperature control for safety. The growth of dangerous microorganisms and the formation of toxins is limited in these foods due to their pH values and low water activity. Examples of non-PHF foods include all dry herbs, fruits, except cut melon, like strawberries, and citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruit. Fruit juices, except those containing melons along with whole melons and other fruits. Raw whole vegetables, except sprouts, cut tomatoes, and cut leafy greens, as well as whole heads of leafy greens with the stem intact. Prepared mayonnaise and dressings, and hard cheeses also fall into this category. It is very important to know the PHF food and non-PHF food in food businesses to avoid spoilage, wastage, and to control the restaurant's budget. More importantly, it is crucial to provide safe food to customers to avoid any health hazard for them. Guys, this is Chef Imtiaz. Subscribe to my channel and see my other videos to learn about food safety. So, take care of your kitchen and food very well. See you next. Ciao.